Industry 4.0 is the era we are living in. In today's modern age, all business enterprises and functions ranging from customer operations, e-commerce, healthcare, travel and logistics need to leverage the power of data to stay competitive. This is equally important for all working professionals too. At AnalytixLabs, our courses are designed and curated for exactly the same purpose. We have courses for beginners to learn tools like Excel, SQL, Power BI, Python for better data understanding and effective decision making. We also have courses for advanced professionals to implement skills of big data, machine learning, AI and deep learning to curate business-centric solutions. The curriculum also includes real-world business problems where you can implement your learnings from the course. Hi, I am Ankita Gupta, CEO and co-founder of AnalytixLabs, and looking forward to see you start your data science journey with us.